Okay, hello, testing 1 2 3. So I'm in my Coinbase Pro, and if you want to select the market you want to trade in, you come right over here. And right now, I was going to sell my BAT, Basic Attention Token. I got like 1,800 of them, and if I was to go here and I say that's the market I want to do, then it's going to say, well, hang on, I'll just show you. Like what available on Coinbase Pro is not everything available on Coinbase. So US dollar to BTC, if I go in here, I only got $2 in here and I got 4.6 BTC in the Coinbase Pro. And if I wanted to sell some Bitcoin, then at market price, you get the higher fee. Market, because that means if I was to say I'm going to sell one Bitcoin, it just sells it, whatever the going price is. But if I was to go to a limit order and say, well, I don't want to sell it unless it's at 1740, puts the price right here. I'm going to sell 0.01, and then I say place sell order. Now the sell order is sitting right here. It's an open order, and you can see it moving. So it's up here. It's up here, and it means that the for it to ever get sold, I want to sell it to take profit up here at 1740. Well, that means a bunch of orders have got to come in. It's got to rise in price up there, and it would sell into. So that's a limit order to sell for profit, and it will just sit here until it gets filled. All right, I'm gonna cancel that order. See, it's actually getting to a point where I might get filled right now. Let's see. I'm gonna cancel it. Oh, part of it did get filled. See, now I got $71. So part of it got filled, and then I canceled the rest, and my fee was 10 cents. If I had done that just in the market, well, let's go over to, let's log into Coinbase. Okay, in Coinbase, if I go to trade and I say Bitcoin, I want to sell Bitcoin to cash, and I do 0.01 just like I did earlier, and I preview to sell, $3. I don't know if that's significantly different because I sold some and got $71 and it was 10 cents. So yeah, you can see just by doing the linear math in your head a little bit that 10 cents at $71 for that did get sold, because it just sold a portion of that order, versus $3 for $176. So I'm not going to sell that, but that's just showing you that. But if I would have sold to the market, which is just once I place the order, it just puts it in there just like at Coinbase, you're going to pay the much higher fee. So then if I wanted to buy some, same thing. Let's go. I've got $71 worth. I'm going to buy limit. And well, see, it's already up there at 17. Well, this right here, these are the bid and ask. These people are putting their orders in all over the world on Coinbase Pro, and it's just a little bit goes in, a little goes out, a little goes in, a little gets sold, and so this is always flickering. When there's a lot of this is each trade right here. So the last trade 17,784. Yeah, now it's 85, so it's gone up $1 already. 86, 92. So if I wanted to buy that 70 bucks worth, see, buy, limit, max, that's at that price. Okay, that's me wanting it to come down to 17,700. Let's do 17,760 so we can see it. And if it's a limit order, so if I place it here, then insufficient funds. I need to 17. I have to. It does the math. It says you ain't got enough because I changed this number to 1760. So now, if I buy 0.004 at 1760 and place my order, now I've got, and it's down here somewhere. See it? It's always moving around fast. So that means that the price has got to come down to me. If the price comes down to me and it gets filled, then I get a really low fee because that's how limit orders are. Most people just do market orders. A market order is, again, I'm just repeating myself, is just like Coinbase, the other Coinbase, or this one. It's sort of dumb money, places an order, bam, they're going to charge you that big fee. All right, this one here, if you know to place limit orders, then you got smaller fees. I'm just going to let this sit, right? Sometime in the middle of the night, it probably gets filled unless the price just continues to take off. All right, so also on Coinbase Pro, the largest chart you can see is daily. So we're going is daily. Every one of these candlesticks represent a day. And so we've seen here some over the past 2 weeks. So you can just count these candlesticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Almost 2 weeks. How it's just really taken off once it crossed this line right here. Once it crossed right here, it just took off. So we'll see where it stops. About to get filled, and we'll see what the fee is. It's sort of so I sold at 1741 or 17,741, and I'm going to buy it back at 17,760. So I'm taking a little bit of a loss. It's not a full Bitcoin, so it's not a $20 loss. It's, I don't know, a couple bucks. And then I'll pay this, whatever the fee may be. I was hoping it'd get filled. All right, so then I also wanted to show you. I'll have to go find it here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Trading view. Spelled it wrong. Hang on, Lola. All right, so TradingView, you can get you a free account. Lola, come here. Here. You can get you a free account, and it will allow you to save. Hang on a second. This is my account. I'm incognito. It allows you to save some certain assets. So here's my Bitcoin USD. And here's the chart, so I can go back to 5 years. And you can see here's the old high. Here's it's approaching that old high. But you can also go in. I know that you bought you some Litecoin. The reason I'm not a Litecoin holder, which maybe I should have been if I was to go to 5 years. So we're not, it's so far away from breaking any of these other highs that it's going to have problems getting past that and that and that and that. So these are considered Yeah, I'm gonna put it on pause and go take care of Lola. Okay, I'm back. So my strategy has been to always own stuff that is trending upwards, and Litecoin is not. It's got to get. It did get past this old high, and so to get past this old high, then it would start trending up more so. So if you were to go to Ethereum and you look at the 5-year, you can see that it's made it past most of these old highs, and so now it just has this one and this one and this one to get past. So basically, that momentum is what's driving things like these indicators. I don't necessarily pay attention to those, but it's always a feel-good situation. So back to Litecoin, it still says it's a buy, but the momentum is just not with it yet. And then if you go to, so this is gold, and its momentum is huge. And then another one, oh, here's Ethereum. We already looked at that one. And then Bitcoin. And so if we go to this one here, and it's saying it's a strong buy also, but it's already past all of its old highs. Notice I keep pointing at these old highs. So this was a spike or an old high. It came down. Once it finally broke above and hit that, it's sort of like a wall. It can't get over it. It can't get over it. It can't get over it. Once it finally gets over it, like right here, it takes off and it's heading towards the last one, which was right here. Once it gets past that, there's nothing stopping it for a while. All right, so that's why I was saying Litecoin, it's not even close to having that type of momentum. Now, EWT, it's pretty new, and I can't even show you 5 years. It goes back to 1st of September when this exchange was running it. And the momentum it's got here is the fact that Elon Musk and it's hard to buy stuff. So and then Chainlink is another one that and that's all I can show you here. Also, is it doesn't have a lot of time on it. It's fairly new, but Chainlink's its momentum is nothing but up. And this is its old peak. It didn't even get to see that 2017 peak because it didn't exist. Okay, so that's trading view, and at one point or another, if you have the free trial, then you can also use some of the tools. Where are they? Where are they? Where you can draw some lines on here, and they'll say about full featured chart. Hang on, maybe that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now you can come in and draw some lines. So I trade trends, and if all of a sudden Chainlink breaks down below this sort of trend line that it keeps bouncing off of, if it comes down and it gets below it and stays below it and just keeps falling, I'm out. Get me out of it. And Litecoin, if I go to a 5-year, some trends may start developing here. It's starting to get some momentum. So I don't know if you bought it, if it happens to go to this old high, it's just got a long ways to go to get there. That's 360, and you can just tell by looking at the chart. A new one that I just got into is index. Where's it at? Index, crypto index USD. And it's really new also. Yeah, you can see how new it is. So here's 3 months, and it's also hard to buy. You can't get it. You cannot get it from any of those exchanges. But I'll just showing you what I do. Here's another tool that I believe that you will. If you go to CoinTracker.io and open up a new. Hang on a second. Just get started. All right, get started. Open up something new. Then I'll show you how to use API so that way every one of your two exchanges, Coinbase Pro for you, and then Coinbase and Coinbase Pro for your company. We can collect them all into one place where you can see everything you own, the cost averages. I'll go ahead and go into mine. I just sort of. So here's I own Bitcoin, Link, EWT, Ethereum, Index, some DPI, and then the rest of this is just peanuts. It's I got some USDC, which is a digital US coin. That's it. It's all in one place, and it keeps track of it in one chart altogether, and then at that point you can do. It will calculate your taxes for you. You have to have some type of tax tool in the future. Coinbase Pro, those guys are not going to do your taxes for you, but CoinTracker.io will. If you're doing some trading between BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, or any of those, I could be wrong. Maybe Bitcoin or maybe Coinbase and Coinbase Pro do give you some type of form, but they didn't last year. You had to bring in all of your data into a tool like this, CoinTracker. So if I was to go in and look at performance, they can show you what my cost averages are. So like in Chainlink, I've got 139% profit. My cost average is 10, price is 13. And this is all in one place, and I've got a crap load of wallets in here. So if I was to go to my wallets, I got Coinbase Pro, I got Kraken, I got Coinbase, I got Binance, Bittrex, Poloniex, Bitfinex. I got some paper wallets like that one I showed you. It's like all of these. At one point, after being involved in it since 2012, I've been in so many different exchanges. Coinbase didn't even exist when I came on, or when I started messing with it. So, and if you do get a little fragmented, this is like a place that you can bring everything into one place. So my Coinbase Pro wallet, my MetaMask wallet, it's got this stuff in it. My Binance wallet's got, I don't know, $2 worth of something in it. Probably wasn't worth it for me to take it out. My Coinbase wallet's got those items in it. My Kraken wallet's got those items in it. No, it has had those items in it. I still got a fraction of some Litecoin. It tells me how many transactions I had. It adds up all my fees, everything. And then Coinbase Pro. So great tool. It's good to get started on it early. And then I can show you how to import your wallets to it, which the only wallets you have currently are your Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, unless you've done something different. Yeah, there you go. That's 19 minutes and 47 seconds. I wonder if you listened to the whole damn thing. Bye.